Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to transfer WhatsApp from one phone to another. I'm going to show you two methods. The first method is to transfer WhatsApp via QR code. Firstly, install WhatsApp on your old and new phones. Connect both phones to the same Wi-Fi on your old phone, open WhatsApp. Go to Settings, Chats, Transfer Chats, then tap Start. A QR code scanner will appear. On your new phone, begin setting up WhatsApp with the same phone number. When prompted, choose the Transfer via QR code option. A QR code will appear on the screen. Just use your old phone to scan the QR code shown on your phone. The transfer will begin immediately. Wait a few minutes and your entire chat history, media and groups will move over. And the second method is to transfer WhatsApp via cloud backup. Make sure your old phone has backed up WhatsApp to Google Drive. On your new phone, install WhatsApp and launch the app and enter your phone number. Complete the SMS verification and WhatsApp will detect the cloud backup from Google Drive. Just tap the green Restore button. Wait for the chat history on media to download. Enter your two-factor authentication code if prompted. And once complete, just tap Next and your WhatsApp is ready. Just media, photos, videos and audio may continue downloading in the background, and ensure you use the same phone number on both devices. Make sure Google Play services and Google Drive access are enabled, and if you are using QR code, stay close to your Wi-Fi router for stable connection. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.